It's the gold chart for H4 or 4-hour time frame. And this time frame we can found this is the valid support area, it's another valid resistance area. 200 EMA indicate market is totally downtrend market. It is the market downtrend market. From this downtrend market we can make a trend line here. So we can say this is the resistance zone here. More confluence is available. 200 EMA and dynamic resistance area, horizontal support area, trend line resistance, horizontal resistance area, trend line resistance area. So it is a good one kind of good confluence. Three confluence are accumulated here for sell entry. So now we can expect market will come soon here. Market will come soon here. Today or tomorrow. Market when come here. From here we are prepared to make sell position because this is the selling area. This is the selling area. We are wait for sell, not to make any buy from this market because market is totally downtrend. So we are wait to go resistance area, and from here when market start to bearish making bearish candle, then we make a sell here. So we need to wait now. Just wait and wait for sell.